Before adding water to your basement Watchdog battery, you must first identify what type of battery your system uses. This is crucial because not all batteries require water maintenance. Wet cell lead-acid batteries require regular water maintenance, while newer maintenance-free AGM batteries do not. Check your battery label or manual to confirm which type you have. If you have a wet cell battery, follow these essential safety steps before beginning maintenance. First, disconnect the control unit from power to prevent electrical shock. Now locate your battery and carefully remove the caps from each cell. You'll typically find 6 cells on a standard 12-volt battery. Check the water level in each cell. The water should cover the lead plates, but not overflow. Use only distilled water, never tap water, as minerals can damage the battery. Important: the fluid sensor is typically located in the second cell from the positive terminal. Ensure this sensor is properly positioned to avoid false low fluid alarms. After filling all cells to the proper level, replace the caps securely. Reconnect the battery cables, ensuring correct polarity. Red cable to positive terminal, black cable to negative terminal. Finally, ensure your work area remains well ventilated, as batteries can produce hydrogen gas during charging. Regular water level maintenance will help extend your battery's life and ensure reliable backup power protection. When your basement Watchdog system triggers a low battery fluid alarm, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and maintain your system properly. If the low battery fluid alarm persists after adding water, first check that the fluid sensor is correctly placed in the second cell from the positive terminal. Look for any corrosion on the sensor connections. Many basement Watchdog models have a reset button that can temporarily silence the alarm for up to 24 hours. The alarm will also automatically stop once the battery is properly recharged. Regular maintenance of battery terminals is crucial for reliable operation. Corrosion can build up on the terminals and ring lugs, causing poor electrical connections. Clean any corrosion using a stiff brush or sandpaper. Make sure all connections are tight and secure on both the positive and negative terminals. To maximize battery life, avoid completely discharging the battery. Deep discharge cycles can significantly reduce battery lifespan and performance. Regular monitoring of battery charge levels helps prevent unexpected failures. Modern battery monitors can provide detailed information about battery health and capacity. If you upgrade to a maintenance-free AGM battery, be aware that older basement Watchdog systems may trigger false low fluid alarms. AGM batteries are sealed and don't require water additions. If your pump isn't working, check these common issues: a tripped thermal protector, locked or blocked impeller, defective float switch, or discharged battery. Also verify that the pump is properly positioned in the sump pit. Regular maintenance and proper troubleshooting will keep your basement Watchdog system operating reliably when you need it most.